got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a prepping for Christmas video, so I'm taking you along with me as we do some cleaning. We are going to be doing some wrapping. I am making my Christmas Day menu, so I will take you along with how I do that. It snowed this morning, so there was snow outside giving me all of the Christmas and cozy vibes. I hope you guys find this video motivating yet cozy to go ahead and prep and tackle your Christmas to-do list. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Carlie. I do tons of cleaning motivation, homemaking, home decor, lifestyle, and motherhood here on my channel. I do have a 2-year-old and I'm currently 27 weeks pregnant with baby number 2. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you go ahead and prep for Christmas with me. So if you're watching this video and if you are from the Northeast, let me know how much snow they are calling for you guys. We are supposed to get 12 to 18 inches. I know like other parts of Pennsylvania and even like Ohio and Virginia and West Virginia, they're all calling for different measurements. So let me know what you guys are supposed to be getting. They're saying 12 to 18 here and we are trying to prep for it. I'm super excited for a snowstorm, but if you are going to be experiencing it, I hope you guys stay safe and all of that. But I hope there is snow for Christmas. I've been like checking the weather to see if we were going to have a white Christmas or not. We're supposed to get snow Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, so fingers crossed. I hope that happens. I feel like when there's snow on the ground, it just makes you feel like it's Christmas that much more. I remember one year it was like 57 and sunny and it did not feel like Christmas at all. So let me know how much snow they are calling for you guys.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keep it.
So let me know down in the comments what you guys still have to do to prep for Christmas. Our plans this year for Christmas Eve are to go see my parents, who we have been seeing through this entire pandemic and everything, we are also going to be seeing my husband's parents. We're keeping it really small this year, so we are traveling about 3 hours over to my parents' house to spend Christmas Eve day with them. And then we will come back here and do Christmas Eve and Santa and all that stuff with our daughter for Christmas Day. And then we were just going to go ahead and hang home Christmas Day and have my husband's parents over. So I'm still going to have to go ahead and like re-clean my house and order groceries and all that stuff. But I figured this was a good start to start tackling my Christmas to-do list. So let me know down below what is on your to-do list to go ahead and prepare for Christmas.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Since we live in Pennsylvania and it is absolutely freezing outside this time of year, I always try to keep my home nice and cozy on the inside and like inviting and warm and just a nice space to hang out, because we're typically just downstairs the entire day in the living room, in the kitchen, in the bedroom. So right now I'm going to go ahead and light this candle from Cozy Me Candles. It is the Twisted Peppermint. It is by far my favorite candle that I have ever had in my home. It smells so good. It just screams Christmas and peppermint, and I absolutely love it. But next I'm going to go ahead and clear off this table and give it a really good wipe down because it was much needed.
This is how it's supposed to be. Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
Over the weekend, my daughter and I decided to go ahead and bake a ton of Christmas cookies, so this table was extra messy. It had cookie dough and icing and everything smeared all over it. Let me know down below what your favorite Christmas cookie is. Mine is definitely just a regular sugar cookie decorated with some icing and some sprinkles and things like that. I'm also a sucker for those snowball cookies. It's kind of just like a vanilla cookie but with like the powdered sugar on the outside. We made some of those and those were so good as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just sweep up the kitchen floor and then start planning out my Christmas Day menu.
And promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
So I sat down with some of those Christmas cookies and went on Pinterest and started planning out my menu. I needed to go ahead and figure out something for breakfast. I wasn't going to go ahead and do like a lunch because we are doing an early dinner. So I just needed to go ahead and get some appetizers and things to snack on throughout the day before we have like our main dinner. So I jumped on Pinterest, which it was really hard to find Christmas related recipes. Everything kept coming up as like cookies and desserts and things like that. And when I would do appetizers, the same kind of appetizer kept showing up. So it was a little tricky, but towards the end of this, I'll go ahead and go through the menu with you guys and kind of tell you everything that I'm going to be making. But for this part, I just go ahead and find a recipe and then write down everything that I need for it. That way, when I go ahead and do my grocery list, I can just quickly put that order in. I also go ahead and star next to the recipe if I do need that ingredient, so it's easier for me to type in on Walmart and just do the pickup. I'll go ahead and go through my pantry and things like that and just double check before I go ahead and make the grocery list. That way I'm not buying anything that I already have, or I'm not missing anything that I don't have.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm off for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about.
So for breakfast on Christmas Day, I'm going to make a French toast bake, and basically all it is just like a French toast casserole. You can actually go ahead and make it the night before, I'm pretty sure, as well. I just found this on Pinterest. I'll try to link all of the recipes that I found down below. But all it calls for is just French toast and cinnamon and vanilla and all of that yummy stuff. I'm also doing some appetizers. I'm doing spinach dip, buffalo chicken dip, cheese and crackers, and then for our dinner, I'm doing a ham, mashed potatoes, carrots, stuffing, and some other sides. I haven't completely put it together because I still need to go ahead and just figure out what everybody wants. I'm also going to go ahead and do a chocolate cake for dessert, and then a non-alcoholic Christmas punch because I am pregnant. I cannot have anything alcoholic, but I love having a good like specialty drink on the holidays. So definitely going to go ahead and make some kind of non-alcoholic punch. But to end this prepping for Christmas, I'm going to go ahead and do some wrapping. I try to do a little bit of wrapping probably a few times a week. I don't like to do it all at once because I love wrapping and I don't want to go ahead and just quickly get it over with. I like to sit down and have like a cup of tea or some cookies or something and watch a Christmas movie and wrap. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap a few gifts and give you guys some wrapping motivation.
It's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland. My winter wonderland.
Let me know down below if you still have Christmas shopping to do and if you are done wrapping. I'm completely done Christmas shopping, but I still have a little bit of wrapping to do, even though I space it out and things like that. I'm hoping to be done with everything by the earliest of next week. That way I can just go ahead and have some family time and things like that. So let me know down below if you guys are finished with those. Also, I have come across the Hallmark wrapping paper this year, and I got 2 rolls of it, and then I got like 3 or 4 rolls of just, I think it was Walmart wrapping paper, maybe Target. But the Hallmark is definitely 10 out of 10 recommendation over the other kind of wrapping paper. It is a lot thicker. It is super easy to work with. It does not rip or tear. It is more expensive though. I think the Target rolls that I got, just the regular wrapping paper, were like $3.50 and the Hallmark is $5, which seems a little crazy to spend on wrapping paper, but I absolutely love it, and next year that is probably the only kind of wrapping paper I'm definitely going to buy.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile I can seem to look away.
That is going to be it for this prepping for Christmas with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it brought you some cleaning motivation and motivation to go ahead and tackle your Christmas to-do list. If you did enjoy it, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.